Hey friends, it's Laura, and today I've got a really fun video for you. I'm going to show you all the supplies that I'm working with for my 2018 December daily. I've got a hodgepodge of different things here, and I think you will love to see all the supplies that I use throughout the month of December when I share all of my process videos. So the first thing I have are all my sequins, and I think I will use a lot of the white ones, the clear ones, silver, gold, and then I also have some white snowflakes and some silver snowflakes. I've got a Christmas tree mix with little words that say Merry Christmas in there. I've got some green, some blue, some pinks. Any sequin mix I may want to make, I can make with the supplies I already have on hand here. And then I picked up a few things from the Target dollar spot this year. I've got this cute little glass jar filled with little green Christmas tree sequins, and I'm going to love using these. They're quite a bit smaller than the other Christmas tree sequins I already have in my stash. So I think they're a lot cuter and will go with sequin mixes a lot better. And then I also picked up this really cute washi tape. You could see the pattern right there. It is a silver foil snowflake. In Charlotte, North Carolina, it never snows for Christmas or the month of December. We don't get our first snow until end of January, beginning of February usually. But in case I wanted to use it for a cold day when we do something outdoorsy, I grabbed it anyway. And then from the Target dollar spot, I picked up this really cute layered sticker pack. Some really cute little sentiments there that will go well with some of the other things I already have in my stash. And then right here, I have my wild hair kit for the month of December. I have a whole flip through of this kit that I received in the mail from that kit club on my channel, so make sure you check that out if you want to see everything in it. But it's got a lot of the Merry Days collection, some really cute acrylics. This sequin mix up close is gorgeous. Some jumbo gold paper clips, stars, more Merry Days, and then some cute Pink Fresh studio papers there. So I'm working with that, and I was really excited about that because the Merry Days collection is sold out online this year in most places. So having it come in my wild hair kit was a big blessing, and I'm really excited for that because I waited too long to order online and then the Merry Days collection was sold out. Moving right along, I have all of my papers from my stash here. There's a lot of them. Here are all the ones that have been cut apart or used in previous years, and then I've also got like some cute Christmas cards that I have cut apart from past years that I can use in my album should I desire. So those are all my little paper scraps. And then we've got my bigger papers that are not scraps, they just haven't been used yet. And I think I'm going for a lot of white, red, and pink in this album. Got some cute little ones from old A Beautiful Mess kits. It's kind of hard to flip through all of them. The stack is so big here. And they don't all match. You'll see I have lots of different collections from lots of different vendors in previous years. But I think I will be able to really choose a selection that goes together very gorgeously this year. Like these two right here, they go together so well. And this is all stuff that I had in my stash already from previous years. This is probably my 5th year doing December daily, I think. So lots of beautiful things there. I love this gold foil paper. And we've got some big scripty sparkly paper down here, and we've got some from my recent haul that I did in Michigan. That was a huge haul. You can check that out on my channel. I think I posted it in the month of October or November, and this was all from a local scrapbook store, so not the basic stuff you get at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, but some really cute higher end brand stuff that I'm really excited to get my hands on. Lots of different plaids. I love all the foil. I'm really feeling silver foil this year, and usually I'm a gold gal, but there we go. And then I also have this 12 by 12 paper here. This is actually more fall themed, but I don't know. I love this black and white, and I think I'll use it for my December daily because there are no rules. And then from Michael's, I picked up this glitter paper pad here, and I love this light blue color, this silver color. I could do snowflakes. And then there's this white color, which would also be perfect for snow. So I love that. And then I've got my two 12 by 12 chipboard packs that I used a little bit last year, but I still have quite a bit of it left. And this is from Fa La La, and this is Snow and Cocoa. I really love the Fa La La line. I think almost equally as much as I love the Merry Days collection this year. I grabbed this green alphabet sticker from my stash. I think it's a gorgeous color for winter. I've got so many other alphabet stickers and thickers that I can pull too. I just haven't done it yet. So this is what I have out right now. And then the last bit of paper that I have is right here. It's a 6 by 6 paper pad from Michael's. And really cute little tags there, some gorgeous little Christmas trees, and I especially love this copper foiled plaid. I picked this up at Michael's on their Black Friday sale. It was like $1.75, and this is a floral embossing with some cute little Christmas stamps. I can't wait to emboss some white cardstock with this. I picked up this tiny little wood stamp set, and I love these little alphabets, so I'm hoping I get some good use out of those. I've got a little heart paper clip from my stash that I want to work in. I've got these phrase stickers in pink, black, and white. And now we're breaking into more stuff from my stash here, and some of this stuff I've had for a long time, some of it's new. I've had these cute little sparkly reindeers with the bells around their neck. I've had those for a few years. I've got some red acrylic paint. I've got some different Christmas flare buttons, really cute brads. I love that gold foil. More brads, some cute little paper clips, enamel dots, more enamel dots. We've got these cute little clear acrylic snowflake embellishments. Some more really cute little paper clips there. They say cozy and merry. Some snowflake paper clips in silver, and then some Fa La La paper clips in gold. Wood embellish pieces here. They're all different Christmas trees. A cute little bow, and even more paper clips. We've got tiny, tiny silver stars, tiny, tiny gold stars. Some cute little clothespins there. I've got these two really cute acrylic pieces here. I'll probably use these in 12 by 12 layouts instead of in my December daily this year, since I'm doing a traveler's notebook form. Love this cute little paper clip I have. I've got some cute tassels. I picked up these felt cute little snowflakes here, but I'll probably save these for a winter layout in January or February, not using them for December daily since it doesn't snow in December here. And then I've got this cute little washi tape from several years ago, and I believe this came from one of the December daily mini kits from a previous year. Super love this. I've used it every year for the last like 2 or 3 years. I've got all of my cute little wood veneer here. I've got lots of different pieces from different kits in the past. I've got a scripty Noel. I've got some snowflakes, a 12, some Christmas tree baubles. I've got some gold foil chipboard stars. I've got a cute white shimmery alphabet there. I've got this washi tape sampler. I've got lots of different project life cards, all from previous years of December daily. Hoping to use some of those up, and there's a washi tape sample in there that has Christmas trees on it. Really cute little wood veneer peace scripty word there. I've got these acrylic little pieces left over from a previous year. Lots of different ephemera here, and these are all mixed up. So the Fa La La collection comes with what you see on the back here, but I actually have tons of other stuff not from the Fa La La collection in here, from digital collections that I bought and printed out and then cut up, and then I just put them in with my other collections. So I've got lots of ephemera there. The Snow and Cocoa ephemera, This one I picked up in my Michigan haul. This is a Kaiser Craft rose gold one. I've got these cute little ones that I haven't opened yet. This is from American Crafts Sweater Weather line. Again, another hodgepodge of all different kinds of ephemera from all different brands from previous years. And now it's sticker time. Lots of stickers here. You could see this in a Hobby Lobby haul that I did. This is from last year, the Snow and Cocoa. Oh look, it's got a brad attached to it. I just can't escape all the brads that I have. Cute little label stickers. These are from years and years and years ago from a Gossamer Blue December Daily Kit. I've got these cute little rubber embellishments from Allie Edwards from last year. I've got these cute little puffy sticker houses with that little ice skating rink scene there. I've got this Mombi Stickers Winter Phrases pack here. It's got all the different Christmas phrases, and that's from years and years and years ago. I've been using that for several years now. This is from my Michigan haul. Lots of gold foil little scripty words there. This is leftover, again, probably from like 4 years ago from a Gossamer Blue sticker pack. And then we've got these cute little dogs. I picked these up this year from Hobby Lobby. This is leftover from last year. It is the Sweater Weather by American Crafts line. I still got most of the stickers left from that. This I picked up in my recent haul from the Michigan local scrapbook stores. Love that gold foil scripty. Leftover from years and years and years ago. These are some cute little Christmas stickers that I have left over from last year, and these are different planner stickers actually, but I use them in my December daily. Then I've got this cute little Mombi sticker. I've got these cute little gold star trim that one of my pen pals sent me. I can't wait to use this. It's so cute. And then I have some little bits and bobs here too. And then I've got this big sticker from me and my big ideas. I've got this cute doily from some Happy Mail. Some more me and my big ideas planner stickers that would work really well for Christmas. They are Christmas themed and colored. These are some illustrated faith scripty words here that I can cut and use, and they would look so cute. And I really want to focus on the God-centered part of Christmas. I've been doing that for the last 2 years, and I found that it is just a way that makes Christmas feel even more special to me, and I already love Christmas. So excited to use those, and how pretty would they be layered on this embossed paper? So gorgeous. So I have a huge stack of white embossed paper here. I ran all these through my embossing machine with this die cut that I picked up that has the snowflakes on it. They're so beautiful, and I can't wait to use them and gift them. I'll probably gift these in Happy Mail and then use them in my traveler's notebook as well. And then I've got some different stickers here. These are from a digital collection that I got this year on Etsy, and they are so cute. They've got all these cute Christmas colors, and I absolutely adore them. Cute little reindeer, these cute little girls that come in all different hair colors, and then we've got two varieties of skin color there. Really cute. We've got the cute little Christmas sweaters and the candy canes. I love this bow. It's so cute. And we've got some gingerbread houses. That's going to be adorable. This cute little dessert. We've got the car with the Christmas tree, a car with presents. And I think this is a separate collection from the same Etsy designer. We've got those cute little girls in a wreath. We've got some more wreaths. Got a cozy little house there. Lots of cute elements that I cannot wait to use. And then I also have some floral die cuts here. And then I've got this card pack here from the Merry Days collection. I found this for $5 at Tuesday Morning, and it's got so many cute things in it. And what I did was, for one of the cards that had all the Santas on it, I went ahead and I cut out all these little Santas. It's going to be so fun to use these guys in Happy Mail and in my December daily this year. So putting all of my loose ephemera in here. And this is the ephemera that I picked up this year. I stuck with mostly digital stuff, as you can see. And then I have all the different variety packs from previous years and collections as well that I can work with. But I didn't pick up a whole bunch because, as you can see, I'm working with a lot of stash from previous years. I love Christmas and Christmas scrapbooking. I've got 2 inserts from Felicity Jane here. I might use one of them in my December Daily Traveler's Notebook, or I might just use it as a template when I go ahead and make my own inserts. Here's some more of those cards that I picked up from the Merry Days collection. You can get a good idea of what's in there. And these ones actually have a cute little punch out ornament on them. How cute would that be on your traveler's notebook? That would be adorable. Or to add to a Christmas present. This stamp and die cut set I am so excited for. I showed a recent haul from Tuesday morning with this. It's got this cute little polar bear die cut that I've die cut a ton of polar bears out of white cardstock, you can see up here. And now I need to go through and stamp on them either this floral pattern or the plaid one. And I cannot wait to include this in my Happy Mail for December and in my December Daily album. I have this Tim Holtz sticker book here, and it's got a couple of pages, both black and white, with tons of cute little Christmas phrases on it. Got some Me and My Big Ideas big stickers there. Some sparkly flowers that I thought might be good in some Happy Mail this month. I've got some Bible journaling stuff. You can tell I've used it before in my Bible journaling, but these are really cute and good phrases for documenting the Christ-centered part of Christmas. I've got some cute labels here, some black and white vellum labels. I've got these cute little planner stickers for the days of the week, some silver glitter acrylic stars. I used my die cutting machine and die cut all of these cute little snowflakes out. Bloom sticker sheet. I love this. I recently picked this up. I had it before and used the whole thing up years and years ago. This deer is just gold foil perfection for Christmas. I've got these cute little gold glitter hearts I can use. These cute gold phrase stickers here that I absolutely adore. I think I could use some of those. That night night would be perfect for Christmas. And some cute little gold hearts there. And then I also have tons of little scraps here, and these are not Christmas scraps. So you saw on my Christmas papers already. These are not Christmas papers, but papers that I thought I might be able to use in my December daily or in mail I'm making this month. So I've got some vellum there, some cute scripty stuff, some cute little green bows there, some tissue paper. Got some gold foil tulle. I've got gold glitter paper, a lot of black and white stuff, and gold and silver glitter paper actually. So lots of cute little things that I thought I might be able to use from my stash. As you can see, my stash is crazy and I have so much stuff to work with this year. I am really excited to see what I end up making. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the gorgeous stuff that I will be making throughout the month of December. If you're looking for any traveler's notebook or December daily inspiration, I will be sharing on my channel all throughout the month of December. And I'm really excited to use my stash and some of my new goodies as well, like these cute little die cuts here. And I can't wait to make some Christmas magic with all of you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to comment down below. Let me know what you think of this stash, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!